and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being here. If you're new, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and if you're a returning subscriber, if for some reason you haven't already, hit that little bell down below for notifications on when I put up new videos. I upload twice a week. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm finally making this video, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you are coming from this whole collaboration, but you guys, I'm videoing from my new bedroom and it is unreal. First off, I literally fit perfectly with my background. Now, I have an Instagrammable bedroom and I'm so unbelievably excited to show you everything soon. But first and foremost, because some of you might not be aware of the situation or why this is such a big deal for me, I really just am going to give you this quickest little backstory. If you have not heard of Alexandra Gater, she is a Toronto-based interior decorator who also has an incredible YouTube channel, which I have been obsessed with for probably like a year. Everything she makes, everything she designs is just so unbelievable, even when it's not like the pink aesthetic of her dreams. I reached out when I moved into this unit because I just knew she was going to be able to make magic, and of course, spoiler alert, she did. And this video is going up on Sunday, but her video, which is just the entire transformation, the stuff I haven't seen, like I am recording this on a Wednesday, I still haven't seen all the behind the scenes stuff, that is on her channel, which will also at this point be linked in the description for you guys. I figured I owed it to you guys who might not know that I did this whole collaboration with Alexandra Gater, what the bedroom looks like and what to look out for. I still can't believe this is my bedroom. This is my freaking bedroom, and the space just looks unbelievable. I won't keep you guys waiting very long because I know you just want to see the video. I want to show you everything too, so I'm so excited. Anyways, grab a snack, get your coffee, get whatever you like to drink or eat or whatever while you watch these videos, and let's get started. Let me show you my brand new bedroom. Okay, you guys, right now I am waiting to see my bedroom. I'm trying to be very quiet. I can hear them like recording things and I don't want to get anything ruined for me. But I'm hearing the word blush pink and sophisticated, and oh my god, I'm so excited. So obviously I'm going to start with what you can see behind me. So I told Alexandra, like, you know, I trust you, I trust your styling, I know that you and I have very similar tastes. I did want a lot more lighting in this space. This space was very, very dark before. I had one single table lamp that really didn't give me too much light, so she did a lot with this space, and this, just even this corner alone, that really transformed it for me. You can see over in this little nook here by the window that she gave me a floor lamp. She didn't actually know this until we finished, you know, shooting, but now, and it's such a little thing, but if you live in a condo like this, you'll understand how big of a deal it is. But now I can actually turn the switch on before getting into my bedroom versus having to kind of feel around in the dark to figure out where I am. Just huge. I'm so happy about that. And then she also pulled my bed out just a little bit, not a crazy amount. It's still off to the side, but it is now not completely touching the window, which is really, really nice because I can get to the drawers in my storage bed. I can also close my blind on this side, much easier as well. And then obviously the addition of a floor lamp. This print behind me is one of my favorites. I did tell her that I really, really wanted this print. because it holds a lot of value to me. I think that that saying is so profound and so powerful, and that's why I really wanted it in my space. The one thing, I mean, not the one thing, everything about this is just beautiful. She changed out my nightstand, which was a big one for me as well. We both agreed my nightstand was way too clunky, way too big, and she changed it out with this smaller 2-drawer IKEA, just very basic white nightstand. And then above that put a sconce, like a wall sconce, which I believe she got from Urban Outfitters, and it is so cute. It's my favorite dim light to have on before I go to sleep. I think it's just so soothing, and I hated having only the one light option for falling asleep. It kind of kept me up a little bit longer, so having that dim light is really pretty. And the fact that it's like a flower is so nice. It feels really good to have like my little corner of summer. It's just really rejuvenating. Okay, so now moving on to the closet space, which nothing was really done with the closet, but that's okay. It's a closet, and I had sort of thought before on my own that if I wasn't going to be painting the walls, if I hadn't, you know, reached out to Alexandra or anything like that, if it had just been me, I might have put some like decals on it or something. But with the, you know, pink on the wall, I think that leaving them plain was a really good idea. But what she did above the closet is absolutely genius. She got this floating shelf from IKEA and made it this sort of display. It was a lot of dead space before, which I didn't even realize was dead space. I never had thought about that space before, and now that it's there, I just don't know how I didn't think about that before, and decorated it with a bunch of plants and some of my art. My Plus book is up there, which if you didn't know, I'm in that book. And the great thing about it too is I can very easily change it out as the seasons come. I'm so season specific, and I could very easily see myself putting like Christmas trees or whatever up there. That's what I really like. Nothing was very permanent in the styling, because right now I'm very into 70s, and I could have told her I wanted more of like a 70s style bedroom with like pinks and oranges and stuff, but style is so ever changing, and the things that have just been very permanent with me is like pink. I'll always love pink. And then I'm going to take you over to this little nook of my room, which I had already started to envision this for myself as well. And again, upon discussing kind of what my vibe was and what I needed, I'd said that like storage was a really big thing for me. I have so many things, jewelry and clothing and just everything because of my job, because of what I do. I'm always in product. I always have stuff that I need to store away. So that is why I'm really happy that I have a dresser, and this dresser is from Article, and I really like it. I don't love, or previously to seeing this dresser, didn't really love the whole no, what's the word I'm looking for? No knob look. I don't hate that though. I think the fact that it's like sort of like dipped in at the top gives it a very retro vibe, which I love so much. I can't even tell you. I think it's just the perfect shade of wood. And then she took this pink and gold lamp that I had in my living room and used it in here, and another print that I had elsewhere in here too, which actually really works with the print behind me. I think I just realized that. We also agreed that eventually I will put a mirror above. Let's open the dresser, shall we? Because that truly blew my mind. If you know what my bedroom looked like before, which hopefully you will, I had this cork board on the wall, which has been one of my favorite ways to store my accessories. And she just used like those little coasters. She used that. That is genius. And she color coordinated everything, and I could never have asked for that because I don't even know that I would have had the patience to color coordinate my accessories. So that was beautiful. And in the second drawer, she just kind of used miscellaneous ones that didn't have backings like that, hoops and stuff like that that couldn't go in there. Everything tied together. I've added a lot more things on top of the dresser. I'm notorious for just kind of like putting things everywhere. It looks a lot more neat, a lot more organized before I threw everything over that. It's something that I'm probably going to try and make look nice again, because I don't want to make it look terrible. I want it to kind of remain as beautiful and nice as it was when she first showed it to me. And then really quick, before I forget to say this, she kept the comforter that I had previously, which was something again that I just felt previous to this I didn't really like very much. But by adding these pillows, which I had actually in my living room, which were just like bigger mustard pillows from IKEA, and then this sort of like decorative pillow which I got from StruckTube, just tied everything together and then made my bed in a very professional looking beautiful way, which I've been trying to keep up with, so my bed always looks beautiful and professional, and it just looks so much better. Everything looks just so beautiful and so tied together. I can't even tell you. It's just such a gorgeous, gorgeous room, and I'm going to try to make sure to show you footage of it during the day and at night so you can just see how both vibes are so, so pretty, and I cannot get over this space. Okay, so that is it, and I would be shocked if you guys are not as obsessed as I am, and even if pink and all of these colors are not your colors, I think you can also understand genius when you see it, because I would have never in a million years thought that you could take this space and do what she did with it. Let me know which of the like little transformations you liked the best. There's so much, just so much that happened here, and it's just hard to completely and totally take it all in. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video though, guys, so let me know what you think. Also, let me know if you're coming from Alexandra's channel. I would love to have you here. I'm so happy if you are here because of that, and hopefully if you are watching this as my subscriber, you will go check out her channel as well, because she has phenomenal, absolutely just like phenomenal transformations that you will love as well. And as I said already, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up with this video, so don't forget you can find new videos from me every Wednesday and every Sunday, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want.